Vim to replace 6. Guys, anyone know how to change Linux console editor from 6 into Vim every time we execute 6? I'm using Ubuntu and Fedora Core.
In your .basic.
If you need the changes only for your ID, and within a terminal session, alias 6 to Vim is suggested by IE. If you want a system-wide change on your machine, soft link to Vim in a USR or local bin. Note, the programs can ignore any aliases on 6 by running command 6 or \6 instead of just 6.
If it is a Debian or Ubuntu system, and you want to make this change system-wide, you should use update alternatives, specify with the config editor options, and you should be golden.
Some dists use Vim's old school mode where it behaves like 6. Check if your .vimmer contains. I have been fooled by this a couple of times.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.